Today we'll be doing some hash browns with potatoes. I would recommend doing 1 potato per person. It would be best if you have a food processor like this. And this is the type of blade I'm using. I don't know what the technical term of this would be. And discard this little bit. In a frying pan, you can use some oil or some butter or some margarine and get it pretty hot and put this in. You can wait until the oil or whatever you use is brought up to like a similar as I showed you. The best way to flip this in your pan would be a spatula like this. Alternatively, you can also flip it like this. After it has brought up to like a sizzle, put a lid on it. Have you been flipping your potatoes? Get better, as this should be the result of it. A few more minutes like this, then it should be done. After those few extra minutes, take it out of the pan, and now